Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is to rearrange products table. So we have a table and we need to convert these 3 columns into just 2. So we need to unpivot the table. We write a select statement, and SQL has unpivot function. In order to unpivot the table, first we need to indicate the column that will store all the values. Now we indicate the column that will store the headers of the original table. And here we indicate the columns that we need to transform. We will call this as unpivoted table. We need to output the product ID, a new column store, and a new column price. Let's run the query. We successfully solved this problem in SQL. Let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we have a function melt. The melt function from Pandas takes in 5 parameters. First, we indicate the data frame. Now we specify the identifier variables. Our identifier is product ID. Then we indicate the value variables. The value variables are those 3 columns that we want to transform. Variable name is our new column that will store the headers from the original table. Value name is the column that will store the variables from the original columns. We will store this new dataset into melted dataset. Now we need to drop the rows where the product is not available. And we are ready to return the result. We successfully solved this problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? Unpivot function with SQL or melt function with Pandas? Let me know in the comments.